Hi guys, so we try here. It's our office. We we change a little bit of stuff here. So now I have a problem that there's this echo. I think that you will hear it. I have a couple of microphones, but I have nothing to say. There's echo here in this room. So it is what it is for the moment. It will come a couch and something to resolve a little bit this problem, hopefully. But I hope it is not so bad to hear this small YouTube videos. So what we are doing here? Why I'm here? This year we will be again a jury of a wedding film and photo contest. It's something that we like to do. It's sometimes sometimes it's really heavy. This time we are for a German competition, so we are really curious to see the films that are coming there. But this video it's a little bit for all wedding filmmakers and wedding videographers, and it's a small tip, a small suggestion that I would like to give for all the people that they are doing wedding films from a long or short time. It's that in the last time, I think in the last years, what I noticed on wedding films, maybe there's also my mistake there too, I don't know, but what I see, it's that really a lot of wedding films, I can see only the videographer and I see nothing about the wedding. What I mean with that, so it's good to have a way to do a film, to edit a film, to create a film, to put your emotion into the film. But when the most of the part of the film, it's how you are good on your camera and how you are good to compose your shot, and there's nothing real about that shot, I don't find that it could have the name as a wedding film. It's more real for you about your work. I explain it more. So I see a lot of film, really a lot of film where I feel almost the videographer saying, can you walk there? Can you watch in the window? Can you put the jacket? Okay guys, now. Also, if I don't hear that, I see it and I feel it. Because we are working with not actors. And every direction that you are giving to your couple, you will see it in the film. And if your goal is to create some shot that they looks cool, then you should do more commercial and not wedding films. Because the wedding films, they are real fantastic and beautiful days. And now you should go on your film. Now go and take a look to your film and take a look every clip that you put on your film. And if the most of this clip, they are based on these things, it's not a good wedding film, or the name is not right to have it as wedding film. This kind of shot, you can use them if you need to tell a story, if you want to emphasize a moment, if during a speech you want to make them feel something and you put this kind of shot over it. But if you begin your film with that and you go on every couple of clips, there's something like this, the couple walking with the sun, with the couple kissing, the bride watching in the camera, the bride doing something else, but it's something that you ask to do. And all the film, all the trailer, it's based on this kind of shot. Tell you guys, for me, is not a wedding film. Sometimes we are shooting in a really cool location, and I remember I done what is already 4 or 5 years ago this elopement in Scotland, and it was everything real. The thing what you are seeing there in that film, it's everything real. I think that there's 1 or 2 shots that we created, but they are walking there, they wanted to go there, they are walking under the rain. I didn't ask to walk there. Actually, we were thinking to go back because it was so raining, so bad the weather. I didn't have the R7S3 that can hold the rain. So it was everything real. After I saw a lot of film based on that kind of situation, that kind of feelings, but where you feel that it's not real, that it's not a real moment. So guys, I hope that I'm not really bad to tell you that, but take a look at your film, and if you want to be a wedding videographer, and so you want to give back the emotion of the couple of that day and make them feel something about that day, and the majority of your clips they are based on things that you direct, you should a little bit change the name or the way how you give your product, or you tell about your product. And in competition where I'm a jury, if I see a lot of clips like this, I'm sorry guys, for me it's not a fantastic. Also, if the clips are amazing, also if it's everything fantastic and epic and beautiful colors and everything, but if it's a commercial or a wedding film. And speaking about art, because I know that many of you, like I said, it's my way to create a film. It's art. Art, first of all, has nothing to do with beautiful. Art, it's when you put your emotion in what you create. Everything what is based on your emotion and you put it into what you are doing, it's art. It's art, but it should be based on your emotion, your feeling, what you feel in that moment when you are doing that things. But when you are doing wedding films, when you are creating wedding films, that kind of emotion should be mixed with something real, something that happened real in front of your camera. Because if you are going to give to the couple that kind of product that has nothing to do with that, I'm speaking about my opinion, my idea, my thought, my way to see the stuff, the wedding films. My wedding films that create Maru films, it's perfect. And if you watch it, it's an artistic film. It's really good done. But if you take every clip of them, the 95% of the clips in almost 10 minutes of video, they are real moment. They are real moment. There's no stage. Yeah, there's a couple of things that we done on the Potter session that we are, and he used it to emphasize the speeches of our vows. But it's exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to re-enjoy my wedding day. Okay guys, this was my simple opinion. Take it as it is. You can hate me or you can take it as a tip, because it's only a simple tip. keep the things real. Okay? Ciao guys.